Check this out, guys. This is Pump.Fun, the platform everyone was using to launch coins and make a quick fortune. But here's the catch. Pump.Fun is fading fast. There are too many coins being launched, and most of them are crashing to zero, and the strategy is sadly outdated. So the big question is, how do we still make money launching meme coins? Well, in this video, I'll show you how it's still possible to make thousands by rug pulling meme coins. Yes, really. Now, the new play is launching on Radium instead. Now, Radium coins tend to have better quality, look less sketchy than Pump.Fun ones, and they often hit higher market caps. The issue, though, launching on Radium used to require actual coding and development knowledge. But I found a new platform that changes everything. LaunchX.fun. It lets you launch directly onto Radium with no coding needed. So, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so you want to head over to LaunchX.fun. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Okay, so once you're here, you want to connect your Phantom wallet. So just click there and Phantom will pop up. Just click confirm. Okay, so in this series, I've been launching influencer coins. You can launch the latest meta, whatever's popular, trending. But for this series, we're going to be keeping with the influencer theme, and we're going to pick Adam Ross today. Now, if you know anything about Adam Ross, you know he's finding it hard to kick the cup. If you know, you know. So we're going to call the token name Adam Ross Cup Coin and change the ticker to ARCC. Then you want to come here and click picture. So here's one that I saved earlier. We'll just get that uploaded. Okay, boom. So there's Adam Ross. Click next. And boom, it'll bring you to this page. So you want to keep the decimals as 9 and keep the total supply as 1 billion. For the description, you want to keep it simple, a bit memey. So Adam Ross can kick the cup. And yeah, that'll do. Something to describe the meme coin that we're launching. Okay, so click next. And then here you've got your website, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Now, not a lot of people are using this method at the minute, so we don't need to really add that. Maybe in the future. Modify creative information. You can turn that off, save a little bit of money there. That just says where the coin was launched. But revoke authorities, guys, this is so important. You need to make sure that all 3 of these are selected, because if you can change anything about the coin, no one will buy it. If you can freeze tokens, people ain't buying. So once you click that, you'll get a little warning come up. You can just click confirm. It's totally safe, guys. I've done this method countless times and it's all good. Okay, so once Phantom's done its thing, okay, as you can see, the token has been created. So you get the token address at the top, you get create liquidity pool, explore soul scan. But at the minute, we just need to click on create liquidity pool. Okay, then this will load up Radium. This is where we add the liquidity. Okay, once we're on Radium, we just want to connect our wallet, the same wallet that we used on LaunchX. So just wait for that to pop up. Okay, that's all good. Okay, then where it says Sol, you want to click that, and then here we need to paste the token address. So head back over to LaunchX, click here, and it will copy the token address. Head back over to Radium and paste it there. The symbol, we just need to change that to what we called it on LaunchX, so ARCC. And then the name of the coin, so Adam Ross Cup Coin. And then you want to click Add User Token. And then click here. Boom. Okay, now you want to change the total supply to 900 million. So you can max that out, but then change to 900 million. That's important. Okay, then the quote token, you want to click where it says Ray, and then you want to click Sol, as that's the network we're working on. So here, guys, this is how much liquidity we're going to add. So I usually max it out and then take off 0.2, as Radium do take fees. So as you can see here, guys, $35 is what we're putting in. Now, that's money that no matter what happens, we won't lose. So as you can see, we're not putting in a lot. Fee tier, change that to 2%, and then initialize liquidity pool. Wait for Phantom to pop up, and then you can just confirm that transaction. Give it a second. Boom, there it is. Okay, so the pool has been successfully created. So if we head over to Dex Screener, and then we just paste in the token address, you can see that the coin will show up. Okay, there it is. It's just popped up. Okay, so As you can see, guys, there's been a few buys already and sales. That's healthy. Okay, and if you can see here, guys, we had a lot of buys to begin with, and then it dropped off. That's snipers. That's very common. That happens with every single coin launch, big or small. But we just need to give it a few minutes, guys, and it will pump naturally. So I'm going to show you, if we head back over to Radium now and click Portfolio, head down to My Positions and Standard, this is where we will cash out. So I'm going to wait a few minutes, and then I'll cut back once the coin has pumped. Okay, guys, so holy shit, if you can see this, look at this chart. It's actually insane. So if we have a look at it, you can see that it started off a bit slow, but then we started getting small buys, and then those turned into medium buys and then bigger buys. So as you can see, I really want to cash out now because I don't want people to sell and then we lose money. So head back over to Radium, and then on Portfolio, you can see My Positions, and the coin has shown up. Then you want to click the minus button. Once you're here, change the amount to 100%, and look at that. Click Remove Liquidity. Just wait for Phantom to pop up, and then just confirm that transaction there. So, oh my God, look at that, guys. This is insane. This method, it never gets old. So if we have a look at Phantom now, look how much money we just made here. $486. We put $35 into the liquidity pool. Honestly, guys, this method is just insane, but it won't last forever, so you need to use it while you can. If we just head back over to Dex Screener, you can see that the liquidity has been removed there, just to confirm it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment. And we also have a Telegram group, guys, where we have other methods of making money. So don't forget to join that too. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.